Before we start, let me introduce our group member. Ainul Aisyah binti Sufyan, Nur Nadia Fahana binti Abdullah, Muhammad Hanif bin Muhammad Kamaruzaman, Tuan Izzak Hakimi bin Tuan Hilmi.
Okay, so right now I will be explaining about compound interest. So the formula is S equal P in bracket 1 plus I powered by N. So I is equal to K over M and N is equal M multiplied by T. So S is the future value, P is the principal amount, K is the annual nominal rate, M is frequency of conversion, I is the periodic interest, T is the interest period, and N is the number of interest.
My name is Muhammad Hanif and today I will talk about Chapter 3 Compounded Interest. RM10,000 has been invested in an investment scheme for 36 months. The interest rate earned was 3.5% compounded quarterly. For 4 years, an additional deposit was added, amounted at 3,000. At the same time, the interest was increased to 4.2% compounded semi-annually. First question. Calculate the accumulated amount received. So we use this formula, which is S equals to P bracket 1 plus I bracket powered by N. So S, we don't know what is F because that's what accumulated amount means. P is 10,000, K is 0.035, M is 4 and T is 3 years. So if we want to find the I, we use this formula K per M, and N is M multiplied by T. T is 4 because we compounded quarterly. Quarterly means 4. Okay, so we use this formula and we put this amount into this formula until we get the answer is RM 11,102.3 cents. Question B. Calculate the total interest received for 36 months. 36 months means 3 years. So we use this formula S minus P equals I. I is interest received. So we put this number into this formula. S is 11,102.3%. P is 10,000. So S tolak S minus P and we got 1,102.3 cents.
Right. So right now for question C, which is calculate the account balance after deposit was added. So the deposit that was stated in the question was RM3,000. So we will just add with the first principal, which is RM11,102.03. So after added both the principal and the deposit, we will get RM 14,102.03. Okay, next for question D, which is calculate the total interest received after the interest was increased to 4.2%. Alright, so here we have new principal, which is P2, that amounted to RM 14,000 ringgit 100 RM 14,102.03, and new annual rate, which is 4.2%, and new compounding periods, which is 2, and the time, which is 1 year. Alright, so first we need to insert all of the statement, all of the new amount into the formula. So first we need to insert the principal, which is 14,102.03, and then we insert the new annual rate, which is 0.042 divided by 2, which is the new compounding period, and it will be powered by new compounding period multiplied by new time, which is 1 year, and then we will get 14,102.03 in bracket 1 plus 0.021 powered by 2, and then after calculating all of the new amount, we will get new simple amount, which is 14,700 ringgit and 53 cents. And then we will calculate the interest, which is the second simple amount minus by second principal, and then after inserting it into the formula, we will get RM14,700.53 minus RM14,102.03, and then we will get the new interest, which is RM598.50.
Chapter 4. This chapter is about annuity. An annuity is a sequence of payment made at regular time interval. Usually, these payments are made at the end of each period. Annuity are commonly used in real life, such as taking loan, buying item through installment, saving for future value, and more. There are two main formulas in annuity: future value, which is S, present value, which is A. This formula help us calculate the total value of repeat payment depend on the interest rate. For this question, we are given a present value of ringgit. The time of period is 7 years with an interest rate of 0.012 compounded 12 times a year. First, we should find the interest per period. I equal to K divide M. So we put K 0.12 divide M 12. This gives us 0.01. Next, we calculate the total number of payment period N equal to M bracket T bracket means 12 multiplied 7. So the total number of payment is 84. Now, we substitute this value into the present value formula. A equal to R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I bracket negative N divide I bracket. So, put the number into the formula. This becomes 50,000 ringgit equal to R bracket 1 minus bracket 1.01 bracket negative 84 divide 0.01 bracket. After simplify, we obtain R equal to 882 ringgit and 64 cents as monthly payment.
Solution for question Roman 2 is we use formula S equal to R bracket 1 plus I bracket N negative 1 over I. So first we have to find the S first. S we don't know. R equal to 882.64, M equal to 12, K equal to 0.12, I equal to K over M. So equal to 0.12 over 12 equal to 0.01. N is 4, so we just have to insert the number. S equal to 882.64 bracket 1 plus 0.01 bracket 4 negative 1 over 0.01. So we calculate that. S equal to 882.64 bracket 0.04060401 bracket over 0.01. So S equals to 35.84 bracket 0.04060401 bracket over 0.01. So total for S is S equal to 3,583.87 ringgit. For question Roman 3, we use formula A equal to R bracket 1 negative bracket 1 plus I bracket negative N bracket over I. So we don't know the A. R equal to 882.64, K equal 0.12, M equal to 12, I equal to 0.01. N is 7 years. 7 years is equal to 84 months. So 84 months minus 24 months, we got 60. So we have to insert that in formula. A equal to 882.64 bracket 1 negative bracket 1 plus 0.01 bracket 60 bracket over 0.01. We total that. A equal 882.04 bracket 0.4494543841 bracket over 0.01. A equal to 396.79 bracket 0.4495503841 bracket over 0.01. So answer for Roman 3 is A equal to 39,679.12 ringgit. In question Roman 4, we have to find the total of interest. So we use formula I equal N R minus A. So N is 84. I we don't know. R equal to 882.64. A is 50,000 ringgit. So we insert that into the formula. I equal to 84 bracket 882.64 minus 50,000. So we calculate that. We got I equal to 24,141 ringgit 67 sen.